Okay, now how do we cite a table in APA? In APA, let's say that we have the assume that this is one table. This table, actually you take this table from a certain source, a particular source. Okay, for a table, okay, if figure, you put figure X or figure 2.1 at the bottom of the figure or image. For table, you put at the top. So that's the difference. So table, you start with table 1, 2, 3, or within this chapter, let's say that this is chapter 2, literature review. So this becomes table 2.1. Okay, we have figure 2.1, table 2.1, two different things. Okay, we start with table 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. If it is in chapter 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Okay, table 2.1. Let's say the title is Fighting Records of Muhammad Ali. Okay, let's say this is the title. So this table should be centered. Okay, similar to figure, it also must be centered. But if, for example, this is very long, for let's say it becomes 2 lines. Fighting Records of Muhammad Ali against champions of boxing, okay, in the world. You see, it's very long. Okay, so if this is more than 1 line, you should left indent. This becomes left indent. So if similar to figure, so if figure also 2 lines, it becomes left indent. But if this is within just 1 line, for example, now this is just 1 line of the caption, so this should be centered. More than 1 line, it should be left indent. Okay, so similarly, okay, table 2.1 list the fighting records of Muhammad Ali, okay, in the 1980s, for example. Okay, so you have table 2.1. You have to mention this one before the table. Similar to figure, you have to mention this before the table, not after. So meaning that if you put this here, okay, you have the table and then you put this here, then this is wrong. Wrong in terms of how you cite the table. This is wrong. You have to put this before the table, similar to figure. And if you take this table from somewhere, definitely, then you need to put citation. Let us assume that the citation is this Tinju Corporation just now. Okay, so we know that this table is taken from Tinju Corporation website. Okay.